Hello and welcome to Linux Int YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to show you how you can set up Eclipse for C programming language. So the first thing that you need to do is download Eclipse. So go over to their website and click on this option that says download. And from there you want to download their latest IDE. So simply click on this download option and then again download the file and wait for the download to finish. Once the download is finished, open up the folder in which you have downloaded the Eclipse installer and then simply run the installer. From here, you can directly choose to go for C++ or C developers. Since that is what I want, so I'm going to select that option. Simply choose the directory where you want to install the Eclipse installer and then click on the install button. You need to accept this license agreement, so I'm going to click on accept now. And then I simply have to wait for the installation process to complete. Launch the Eclipse IDE. So inside Eclipse, you want to head over to Files, go to New and click on Create New C++ or C project. From here you can choose from C or C++, but since this video is about C, so I'm going to select the first option and click on Next. Next you can give a project name. So I'm going to give a random name as Demo. I can either create an empty project or a template for Hello World. So I'm going to simply select the template. And then for the tool chains, I'm going to select MinGW and then I'm going to click on Finish. This should bring up my template on my editor screen. To execute this program, I simply have to click on Run and then Run again. You have the option to choose for a container application or a local application. I'm going to go with the local application. And it's completely okay if you get this error for the first time. You simply have to click on Ctrl+B on Windows or Command B if you're working on a Mac operating system. After building it, try running it once again and you are good to go. But in case you have already installed Eclipse IDE for let's say Java development and you want to switch it for C development, what you want to do is you want to head over to this help option and then click on this option that says install new software. From this new pop-up screen, you want to click on this drop-down menu and click on all available sites. Now this is going to fetch all the available software and the programming languages that are available and compatible with the Eclipse IDE. So next up, you're going to scroll down to an option that says programming languages. Open up this option and then you want to click on this option that says C and C++ Development Tools SDK and then click on Next. And once the installation process is done, you are good to go to use your Eclipse IDE for C development or C programming language.